Hello, a very good morning to everyone. I welcome to everyone again in our exercise 3.4. Okay, in 3.3 up to 3.3 we have already learned how to find the solution of the linear equation in two variable by graphically method or by substitution method. Now we will learn one more method, elimination method. It is very easy method also, and it is very important method here. Okay, in higher class you will see, you will always use this method, elimination method. Okay, what is elimination method? By the name you can guess also. Elimination, eliminate means remove or delete. Okay, it means you can say that remove method or delete method. So what we will do, every time we have given two linear equation. They are linear equation in two variable. First equation, second equation. It is the first question of the first part. Solve the equations by elimination method and substitution method. You have to use both method, elimination method also and substitution method. Substitution method we have already learned. You can do yourself. Now look at elimination method. In elimination method here, if you understand these first two steps, you can solve easily. All question you can solve easily. What is given? Look at. Every time we have been given two equations, okay, and now we have to find their solution. Their solution means find the value of x and y which satisfy both of the equation. So first multiply both the equation or one equation. We will multiply both the equation or one equation according to questions, okay, by some suitable non-zero constant. Non-zero constant means you cannot multiply by zero. Non-zero number, it means maybe 1, 2, 3 like this one, maybe -2, -5. To make the coefficient of the one variable equal. What is meaning? a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to, what is coefficient? Coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y b1, coefficient of x a2, same as it is. What is coefficient of x here? 1. Coefficient of y is 1. So first you have to remember why we are multiplying. To make the coefficient, you have to note down these two steps, okay? And in questions no need to write a step, only you have write. Whenever anytime you have problem, you can read the steps. To make the coefficient of one variable equal. So we want to make coefficient is equal. Why we are multiply both of the equation? Because we want to make coefficient are equal. Because if one time coefficient are equal, we can remove one variable. Why we want to remove one variable? Because equations are in two variable. If any equation is given in one variable, we can solve easily here. Okay, so look at. So we observe that coefficient of x is 2. What is coefficient of x is? Here 1. So what number you will multiply by equation 1 or 2? Then coefficient of x are become equal. If we multiply by this equation by 2, because it is 1x, if we multiply by 2, so it is become 2x, 2x, and we want to make coefficient of equal of which one variable? Only one variable. Only we will make the coefficient are equal only in one variable. So what we will do? So first step, you can make variable equal y also. What number you multiply by? 3. Yes, if you multiply by 3 this equation, 3y, 2x. So you can multiply you can make the coefficient are equal of any one variable, x or y. Suppose here we are making coefficient are equal of first of x. Of which one? Of in. So write, you will write multiply equation 1 by what? By 2. Yes, because it is 2x. What number you will multiply by x, then it is become equal x. So it is 2. Understand or not? And tell me, and it is in equation, multiply equation 1 by 2. So multiply by equation 1 by 2. 2 into x plus y equal to 5 into 2. Always remember, whatever you will multiply or divide, you will multiply by each term. Why? Look at, you know, x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. Suppose like this one. 5 equal to, suppose I am writing x plus y value is 6. 6 equal to 6. Both are equal or not? If you will multiply one side by 2, 2 into 6, then they are equal? No. That's why we are multiplying both sides by same number. Same as it is, we will multiply by 2 on same side. So what is? We will multiply 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into y, 2y equal to 2 into 5, 10. Understand? We will multiply by each term. Understand here? Now look at. So now you can write. Now equation 1 we have converted in another equation. Its name you can give. It is equation 3. Understand? Next is here. By the name of the method you can guess. Elimination. Elimination mean eliminate. Eliminate mean remove. Now what we will do? Second step. After make the coefficient are equal, what we will do? Then add or subtract one equation to other. Now we will add or subtract the equation according to question. Look at. Now question equation 1 we have to make equation 3. It is convert. Now we are using equation 1 and now we will use equation 2 and 3. No use of equation 1 because equation 1 we have already converted in equation 3. Now what we will do? Now look at. Suppose I am writing here 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is equation 2 and equation 3. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Elimination. Eliminate. Remove one variable. How can you remove one variable? Yes, it is 2x. It is 5 and it is 5. So what sign you, if you want to remove 5 from, what you need? Minus. 5 minus 5? 0. How can you remove x and x? If it first is 2x and second is also minus 2x, you can remove. So 2x minus 2x, 0. So right? So that one variable eliminated. Eliminated or meaning remove. Understand? So what we will do? It means both are positive, but positive always add. So it means we should subtract, because if it is 2x minus 2x, it is 0. So what we will do? That's why we will write. So you can write subtract equation 2 from 3, or you can write subtract equation 3 from 2. Anyone you can write, right? Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. You have to write, okay? What we are subtracting? Equation 2 from equation 3. So first we will write equation 3. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. What equation we are subtracting? Equation 2. So 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now we will subtract. Now always you will leave some space. It is very important. Suppose dear, I am saying you 11 and 7. Subtract 11, subtract 7 from 11. So what we will do? You know 7 is positive. So we will change negative. So 11 minus 7, 4. Otherwise, look at, if I write 11, 7, subtract, it is plus 7. 7 subtract from 11. So subtract mean minus. So 11 minus 7, it is 4. Understand? Otherwise like this one. If I write this one, equation 2, it is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Subtract, what equation? Subtract mean minus sign. Minus 2x minus 3y equal to 4. And always you know, whenever outside the bracket 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, subtract. So it means when you will minus sign mean minus 1. Minus negative into positive, negative. Negative into negative, positive. Equal to negative into positive, negative. So we will, whenever we will subtract dear, we will change the sign of each term. It is positive, it is become negative. It is negative, it is become positive. Negative, negative become positive, and it is become again negative. Understand? It is very important here. You have to remember, whenever we will subtract two equations, so always we will change sign. Now, positive become negative. 2x minus 2x, 0. 2y plus 3y, 5y equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Now, yes, elimination method. Eliminate, remove one variable. Now we have already removed one variable, x. Now what is remain? Only y. And if any equation in one variable, we can solve it easily. Understand or not? Understand or not? So always our motto is that we will make the coefficient of one variable are equal, then we can be subtract or addition according to Houston. Okay. Now find value. 5 multiply here. 5 multiply by y. We want to find value of y. 5 another side become positive. So y equal to 6 divided by 5. Now we have already find y value. Now what is remain? X value. Same as it is by substitution method. If we find one variable value, then we will put in another equation. Right? Put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation. In which equation you want to put? Now you can put it here in any equation. In 1, 2, 3, any equation. Suppose now which one is easier one? Equation 1. Put in equation 1. So write x plus y equal to 5. X plus 6 by y value. 6 by 5 equal to 5. Now what we will do? Now we want to find value of x. So all other term we will remove. Now you will say, sir, 5 is a divide, multiply. No, because in the sign is plus in middle. So we will write x 5. So 6 by 5 another side. Here is positive, another side minus 6 by 5. And these are two fraction. And fraction how can you solve? By taking LCM. We have already do many questions. 25 minus 6, 90 by 5. So x equal to 19 by 5. So what is the x value? 19 by 5. And y value 6 by 5. Understand? You can verify your answer also, dear. If examiner say you verify also, so you will write verify. And verify, how will you verify? Put x and y value in equation 1 and 2, they should be satisfied. X is 19 by 5 plus y 6 by 5. How much become? It is 5. So taking LCM, 19 plus 6 equal to 5. 19 plus 6, 25 divided by 5. 5 equal to 5. 5 cancel. And 5 equal to 5. Yes, it means our answer is right. Same as it is, we will put x and y value in equation 2. If it is satisfied, it means our answer is right. But no need to write this one. Okay? You will write this one. Now, the first part we have already finished. Now, second part is by substitution method. Understand? So, dear, only one thing you have to remember in this question. Only you have to make the coefficient are equal. Either of x or either of y. Okay? You can do like this one also. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Then also answer will become same answer. Okay? So only one thing you have to remember. First step. We will make the coefficient of one variable are equal. And how can we make equal? By multiply or dividing. After making coefficient are equal, we will add or subtract the equation according to question. Because if both are same sign, then we will subtract. And if they are different sign, then we will add. Understand it? I hope you understand it. Now we will do next part. By substitution method, look at. Now, I think no need to explain substitution method again, because we have already do many part in. We have already finished many question in 3.3 exercise. So do yourself by substitution method. By substitution method. Do yourself it. Okay? Note down it now. Now next question. Now fourth part of the first question. X by 2 plus 2 by 3, 2y divided by 3 equal to minus 1. Whenever any equation given in fraction, first we will solve it. What we will do? These are two fractions, and fraction how can we solve? By taking LCM. So LCM is 6 is LCM. 6 divided by 2, 3. So it is 3x plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 into 2, 4y equal to minus 1. And 6 is divided here. Another side become cross multiply. So it is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Equation number 1. Now next is x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Again these are two fractions. How will we solve? It is meaning you can write x by 1 minus y by 3. So it is LCM is 3. 3 divided by 1, 3. So it is 3x. Otherwise no need to write. Directly we will multiply. 3x. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into y, y equal to 3. Now what we will do? Again cross multiply. It is 3 by 1. 1 into any number. Same number. 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3. 9. It is equation 2. Now, so we will write. First we will write by elimination method. By elimination method. Because first question we have to do by both method. Okay. Now in elimination method our first motto is we will make the coefficient are equal. We observe that it is 3x. It is also 3x. We have already given coefficient are equal. So therefore no need to multiply by any number. Otherwise dear, you can make coefficient of y also equal. If you will make coefficient of y are equal, Coefficient of y is 4. Here is -1. So what number you will multiply equation 2 by 4. But why we will do one more extra step? No need to do extra step. What we will do? Direct. So 3x is positive. It is also positive. So how can we will remove? So it means we have subtract or add, because 3x plus 3x, if you will write addition, so they are 6x. But if you will write subtract, 3x minus 3x, it's become 0. So you will write subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So you will write equation 2 from equation. So equation 1 first is 3x plus 4y equal to -6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. And whenever we want to subtract, leave some space and change the sign. Positive become negative, negative become positive, positive become negative. 3x minus 3x 0. 4y plus 1y 5y equal to, it is -6 and -9. Sign is same. We will add so 15 and put the sign greater. Now we want to find value of y. So -5 divided by 5. Negative divided by positive, negative. So answer is -3. You can cut directly also, because now you are in 10th class. Okay. Now y value. So y equal to -3. Y is -3. Now what is remain? X is remain. So what we will do? Now put y equal to -3 in any equation. So right? Put y equal to -3 in equation. Which one? In equation 1 you can write. It's okay. In equation 1. So what is equation? It's 3x plus 4y equal to -6. So write 3x in place of y equal to -3. So plus 4 into -3 equal to -6. 3x. Positive into negative, negative. How much? -12 equal to -6. 3x equal to -12 on the other side, positive. So 12 minus 6, 6. You can write direct also, okay? -6 plus 12. Otherwise, 3x equal to 6. Now, you will write 3x equal to 6. 3 is here, multiply another side, divide. So 3 2 ja. So x equal to 2. So what is solution? The solution is solve the equation. So x is y is -3 and x equal to 2. By substitution method, you have to do yourself. So you can verify also. If you want to verify, what you will verify? So equation 1, 3x plus 4y equal to -6. 3 into x, x is 2. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into how much? Y. Y is -3 equal to -6. 3 into 6, 6. -12 equal to -6. -6 equal to -6. So it means our answer is right. Both equations must be satisfied, then it is our answer is right. So you can put same as it is in equation 2 also. Understand it? I hope you understand it. Now next part. Look at now second question, first part. Form the pair of linear equation. First we have to form the pair of linear equation in the following problems. Find the solution and find the solution if there exist, because solution may be one solution, may be infinite solution, or there is no solution by elimination method. In second part you have to use only elimination method. What is given? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduces to 1. Reduce to 1 means it is become to 1. It become half if we only add 1 to the numerator. What is fraction? Fraction means it is fraction. 1 is numerator, 1 is denominator. So x upon y. So we need numerator and denominator. So what we will write? Let numerator of fraction, how much is x, and we will write denominator of fraction, how much is y. Now first we will make an equation according to question. What is given? If we add 1 to the numerator, what is numerator? Is x, we will add x plus 1 and subtract 1 from denominator, to subtract y minus 1. So a fraction reduced to 1. Reduce means it is become to 1. It is 1. So 1 what you can write? 1 upon 1. Now how will we solve the fraction? How will we solve this equation? By cross multiply. 1 multiply by any number, so same number x plus 1. 1 into any number, same number y minus 1. We will write variable one side. So x, y is here positive, another side negative. So it is minus 1. Plus 1 another side negative. So it is x minus y equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. Same as it is. Now we will make a second. It becomes 1 by 2. How much become? It become 1 upon 2 if only add 1 to the numerator. It means only we will add to the numerator or denominator. Denominator. It is denominator. Sorry. Denominator. Okay. So it is denominator. So what we will write? So it means numerator is as it is. No change in numerator. Divide y plus 1 and it is become 1 upon 2. Understand here? Now same as it is. We will change it. Look at now. So what we will do? We will do cross multiply. 2 into x. 2x equal to y plus 1. So 2x, y another side negative, minus y equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now we want to solve by using of elimination method. First step in elimination method, always make the coefficient of variable are equal of one variable. Variable of x 1, here is 2. So therefore we should multiply this equation by 2. Otherwise you can check coefficient of y minus 1, coefficient of y minus 1. Yes, there is already given coefficient are equal of variable y. So what we will do? Add equation 1. Add or subtract equation 1 or 2. So what we will do? We will add or subtract. If we will subtract minus y and minus y, so negative minus y, so it is become minus 2y. So what we will always remember dear, minus y. Whenever same sign we will subtract. So we will write subtract equation 2 from 1. Understand? So it is equation 2 from 1. So first we will write x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Equation 1. Now equation 2. So we will write 2x minus y equal to 1. And we have to subtract. So change sign. Positive become negative. Positive. Negative. Minus y plus y. 0. X minus 2x. Minus x. Yes. X mean 1x minus 2x. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. And x variable is x. 1 into x. X minus x. Now minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 plus minus 1. Minus 3. Now look at. Don't say, sir, x is minus 3. No. We want to find value of x. But it is minus x. Minus x mean, dear, minus 1 multiply x. Understand? And everyone know. So you will write. It is minus 1 another side. Divide minus 1. Minus minus positive. So it is what is? So x is 3. Otherwise, you can cut directly also. Minus cancel minus. So x equal to 3 you can write. Otherwise, by this method you can write also. Okay? Both are right. Direct you can write also because you are now in 10th class. So x equal to 3. Next part, dear, what we will do? X equal, we have already find x. Now we will find value of y. So write, put x equal to 3 in equation. In which equation? In any equation. In equation 1. Because equation 1 is easier one. So x minus y equal to minus 2. X is 3. Minus y equal to minus 2. 3. We want to find value of y, but y is here positive. So you can remove y. So and 3 y minus 2. So we want to find value of y. Minus 2 on the other side. Positive. 3 plus 2 equal to y. So y equal to 5. Understand? You can do like this one also. 3 another side. Negative. Minus y or equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus y equal to minus 5. Negative negative. Cancel to negative. What is remain? Y equal to 5. So it's mean. So you will write therefore numerator x is 3 and denominator is 5. So therefore fraction. So what is fraction? 3 upon 5. You can verify also, dear. What is given? If we add 1 to the numerator, what is numerator? 3. So 3 plus 1 and subtract 1 from denominator. Subtract 5 minus 1. It become 1. So 3 plus 4. 4 by 4. What is become? 1. It means our answer is right. Understand it? Second equation, what is? If it becomes 1 by 2, if only add 1 to the denominator. It means numerator is as it is. So 3, so 5 plus 1. 3 by 6. So what is 1? 2. So what is become? It is 1 upon 2. So it is your answer. So you will do first question, second first part, and second part also you will do yourself. And you will example number 11, 12 and 13 also you will do yourself. Okay. So I hope you understand elimination method, substitution method and by graphically. And dear, now you have a very good opportunity to cover up your syllabus because now is vacation is going on and no other teacher is taking your class. Okay, so please be regular and be punctual and taking problem if you have any problem. Understand? Thank you everyone. Have a good day.